Welcome back. Now the third tab down is for video, and you can create a video with specific sections of your screen, or you can record an entire window. So in this case, we're going to record an entire window. And when we do that, we can then look at our option. We can use a specific selected window size or use a fixed size. We can choose to have the video previewed in our editor. We can choose whether we want to capture our cursor or whether we do not want to capture our cursor. We can choose to have our microphone on, and by default, you'll notice that the system audio will not be recorded. But we can record it and add it to our screen share recording. Now what we're going to do is we're going to click the capture button and we're going to create a short video. Now what you can do with this video, of course, is you can do a demonstration for someone using Snagit. So we're going to click the capture button. What's going to happen then is the window is then highlighted. Once we click inside, you'll notice then that this area will then be enabled. In order to start the recording, we're going to click this button, and that's going to start the recording process. There'll be a countdown, and then you'll notice that the recording will then start. When you've completed the recording, then what you're going to do is you're going to click this blue button. That's going to finish the recording. The video will then be processed and will then be available inside of your Snagit editor. You'll then have the option of creating a GIF file or a PNG file with some of the frames. In order to save this video, you'll go to your file command. You'll then save this video, and you'll save it as an MP4 file. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.